Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to reset system settings on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you should find and select the settings icon. This is the settings icon located right here above the maps. And as you can see, here you can change a few settings. And one of them is system settings. So let me tap it in the down right corner. Let's tap system settings. As you can see here, you can change the settings with display, language, units, and keyboard type. If you would like to go back to the default system settings and return all settings to default, let's use the last option. Let me do it. So if you would like to reset all the vehicle settings, you need to tap yes to confirm it. Let me do it. And that's it. The device is resetting the settings. Factory settings have been restarted. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.